Say cheese, Rusty! This is the 32-inch wide seat upgrade for the Baja Wrangler 2, and I'm super excited to show you how to install it and tell you what I think about it. If you own a Wrangler 2 and you're considering this upgrade, stick around to the end, because at the end of the video, I'm going to put a hidden message on the screen somewhere, and the first 20 people to spot that hidden message on the screen are going to get access to an exclusive discount code to save you big on your next purchase at Mobility Direct. Now, by the way, folks, this is not going to be an in-depth review of this product. I'm just going to basically tell you a few things about it, the important specs, the important features. If you want to see an in-depth review video for this product, we have it. I'll put it in the description below. And at the end of this video, I will put the spec sheet on the screen so that you can pause and go through every single spec one at a time at your own pace. One last thing, folks, we do have a free printed catalog that you can request on our website, mobilitydirect.com. All you have to do is click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog, fill out the simple short form that you're seeing on the screen now, and you'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. You could also just call the number below, speak with one of our non-commissioned sales experts, give them your address, and they'll get that catalog in the mail for you. You could also take the time to ask them any questions you may have. They're not pushy. They just want to answer your questions and recommend a product that's going to fit your needs, and most importantly, your budget. So let's go ahead and dive right into things. As you can see, this is a super wide seat. Now, I'm about off to the right side of the seat, and there's still probably another 15 inches left for somebody to sit here comfortably with me. I do plan on using this as a two-person seat. However, as a disclaimer, I'm not supposed to advertise this as a two-person seat. It's probably not rated for 2 people, and for liability purposes, Pride Mobility does require dealers to not advertise it as a two-person seat. I'm being honest with you, okay? Now, we at Mobility Direct like to torture test our products and see what they're made of to give you real-world examples of how they perform under stress. Go! I love you, Ma! 15-foot John boat out of the water. Oh. We're famous for making torture test videos. You've seen them. If you haven't, make sure you subscribe to our channel, because we are always doing crazy things on our YouTube channel that no other mobility scooter dealer does. Look at that! Are you kidding me? We also do a podcast. We do a lot of DIY repair videos. So if you're new to the channel, check our playlists out. We organize them all by category, and we'd love to have you as a subscriber. Now, I think what's awesome about this 32-inch seat is it has that two-tone black and white stitching with the Pride insignia on there, flip-up armrests, which are width adjustable and height adjustable as well. Now, this is the only 32-inch wide seat, not two-person seat, that can actually rotate. Okay, the problem is we have the weather canopy. With the weather canopy installed, you've got the frame rails in the back for the frame of the canopy, and unfortunately, it won't clear. But you can see it actually does rotate. So if you didn't have this canopy, this is going to be the only seat that's 32 inches wide that can actually rotate 360 degrees, which does make it easier for you to get in and out of the chair when it's facing 90 degrees off to the left or to the right. Getting in and out of the chair is a lot easier, especially because this scooter has 8 inches of ground clearance. It does take a pretty big step to get onto the floorboard. So if you lift up the armrests, even with the weather canopy, it's a lot easier. But imagine if it was rotated all the way to the right, getting in and out would be even easier. Now, the Wrangler 2 is a Baja Mobility product. Baja Mobility is a line under the Pride Mobility Corporation. And the Baja Mobility series is basically all of their off-road, more recreational, fun scooter line, if you will. Pride Mobility has been making medical scooters and power wheelchairs for over 50 years. They're famous for making the Jazzy Power wheelchair. A lot of their products are made in America, this one included. So this is going to be the only American-made option that's going to have this type of seat upgrade with a weather canopy, 14-inch inflatable tires, full suspension, 8 inches of ground clearance, 2 2,500 peak watt motors, not one, 2 motors. There's no other scooter out there that's as powerful as the Baja Wrangler 2 in terms of a scooter made by a reputable manufacturer. This thing handles the most extreme conditions. We have torture tests videos where we run over 6 to 8 inch logs. We go in and out of water drainage ditches with it, and it has front and rear suspension, It's got a dampening system on there, which just makes it extremely smooth when you're going over some of that really rough terrain. Now, when you add the weather canopy to it, it is going to reduce the weight capacity, but it does come standard with a 450-pound weight capacity. Subtract 50 pounds from that if you add the canopy, and if you add the two-person seat, you're going to subtract around another 30 pounds of weight capacity to sacrifice it for those upgrades. The speed on this thing's around 11 miles per hour. With the standard batteries, you get plenty of mileage, well over 25 miles. If you put lithium batteries like I did, you could probably go 50 to 60 miles without breaking a sweat. But again, what makes this thing awesome is its off-road capabilities. It's 8-inch ground clearance. You can jump over big pieces of debris, large logs, and not really have to worry if you're going to make it or not in most cases. I do recommend watching those torture test videos if you are looking for something that can handle really rugged terrain, something that's going to pave its own path. I've even taken this thing out in the rain. You're not supposed to. Don't do that at home. I don't recommend it. But I have gotten this thing stuck in the rain and nothing happened. It's just built really, really well, and it is American made. That's right. This is an American-made product. Oh, I can't see! Now, as far as cargo storage options, you do have a rear basket option. With the weather canopy, you can't really use the front basket, but there is a front basket if you don't have the weather canopy. So you can definitely hold some goodies in here. I wouldn't recommend taking it to a grocery store, although you probably can, but you might get some looks. We actually had a podcast on that very discussion, taking heavy-duty mobility scooters like this one into a grocery store, where you can see some real-life footage of us taking similar scooters into a grocery store and seeing the reaction we get from the management and staff. But I would say that's one of the drawbacks. This doesn't look like a mobility scooter. It looks like an electric ATV. So if you do need something that's more like a mobility scooter that you can use indoors and out, this may not be the option for you. This is also a really heavy machine. So if you need something that you can take with you on vacation, if you plan on going camping with it and you want to take it in your truck or SUV, that's going to be tough. You're probably going to need a little utility trailer just to tow this thing around, unlike most scooters that fit on a vehicle platform lift, like a bike rack for scooters in the back of your SUV by installing a hitch-mounted mobility scooter lift. There's probably only one option out there, which is the Tri-Lift HD, which we do carry if you are interested in getting a vehicle lift to transport this with your actual SUV or truck. Give us a call. Give us the make, model, and year of your automobile, and we can tell you if it's compatible with your vehicle. With that being said, I think the cheaper option is to just get a small utility trailer for like a lawnmower. And if you can do that, then yeah, you can travel with this thing. But this is probably best suited for somebody that lives like on a farm or that just wants something purely to use around the neighborhood, not someone that's looking for a scooter to bring with them on road trips and travel with it. I would say the other drawback is it does require some hand strength to maneuver, especially in off-road conditions. So if you're buying this for grandpa or grandma, you may want to consider other options because it does require that dexterity and hand grip strength to keep the wheel straight. These are big tires. And if you catch a big tree root or a lump, a stump in the ground, it's going to want to jerk to the right or to the left. And if you're not going to have that hand strength to take control of those situations, it might not be the best for you. With that being said, Pride Mobility is very confident in their build quality. They offer an industry-leading parts warranty and a 1-year in-home service plan. So if you do have a warranty defect within the first year, you don't have to go anywhere. A technician's coming to your home to solve the issue at no cost to you. Now, we do offer this product for sale, tax-free, and free shipping at mobilitydirect.com. And if you pay attention for that hidden message, you can claim that exclusive discount code. Again, it's only available to the first 20 viewers who spot that hidden message. Now stay tuned. I'm going to put all the specs on the screen here in just a moment so you can pause and go through them at your own pace. Now, once again, I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct. If you have any questions at all, please put them in the comment section below. We'll personally respond within 1 business day. We'd love to hear from you. We appreciate you watching this video. And if you enjoyed it, the best way to show your support is to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and post a comment below. It's that easy and it's free. I'll catch you in the next video, everyone. Bye-bye. Say bye, Rusty.